How to change Steam password. Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you a quick and easy way to change your Steam password on your PC. Let's get started. First thing first, you want to go over to Steam and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on the Steam icon at the top left. From there, you can find different options from the pop-up. Go over to Settings. And once you are on the account section, you have different options here. First one is to view your profile, then change your friend code, and you'll find add friend option, then change your email address and more. To change your password, you want to go to security. You find your account name here and tap on change password. Once that is done, you can just click on email and account verification code on your email. You'll get the code, just enter the code here and tap on continue. And once you have the code, you can just go ahead and enter the code here. I'll just quickly enter the code, hit continue, and once the code is verified, you can change your password here, re-enter your new password, and simply click on change password. You'll be good to go. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.